Well, hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the second of the 3 video series on how to do screen recordings. This video is going to be how to do a screen recording on an iMac. And then the third video in the series will be how to do a screen recording on a PC. I use both. Over the years I've transitioned more from a PC guy more to an Apple fanboy. But I still like to use a PC, especially for a laptop or a desktop. But I'm definitely into the Apple camp now. So let's do it to it. Okay, let's do a demo here on how to do a screen recording on an iMac. The easiest way to do this is just to use the app that came preloaded with the iMac, and that is the QuickTime Player. I already have it on my toolbar down here. But if you don't, you can go to your Launchpad and kind of search through the apps until you find it. But let's click on the QuickTime Player. This window that opens up I don't need, so I'm going to cancel that out. Now I go up to File. First thing I want to do is the new movie recording. That opens up the window, the picture-in-picture window. As you can tell here, this window's kind of big, so I'm going to resize it. Unfortunately, this is the smallest I can make this window, so let's kind of move it out of the way here. We'll put it down here. If you notice next to the record button, there is some choices you can make. The first one is I'm going to be using for this is the webcam, the Logitech webcam, so that's already pre-checked. It doesn't really matter what microphone you use because you're not going to be using the microphone with the window, you're going to be using it more with the screen recording. And my microphone right now is coming from my Rodecaster Pro. It gives me that deep, rich FM big bottom voice. So I need to go back and open up QuickTime Player again. Go up to the top here, select File, and New Screen Recording. Now this taskbar down here, you can see my cursor has now become a camera icon. But I have some choices now. They are Capture Entire Screen, Capture Selected Window, Capture Selected Portion, Record Entire Screen, Record Selected Portion, Options and Record. Click on each one of these. There. Alright. Now I can resize this so that it only records a portion of my screen, whatever I choose it to be. Okay, let's get rid of that. And we're going to go back up and choose Selected Screen Recording again. Alright, we want to go to Capture Entire Screen. Here we go. Now, before we do that, there's some certain options we want to check on. First one is I want to save my screen recording to my desktop. You may choose the other locations that you use, but I choose for desktop just for demonstration purposes. I need to go back into options again. I'm going to set the timer for the start of the screen recording to 10 seconds. Gives me enough time to get ready. And for show floating thumbnail, remember last selection, and show mouse pointer, I'm going to click on all of these. Okay. Alright, we're going to get ready to record. So my countdown has begun. And when it's at 0, an icon will appear in the top right up here. It looks like a little record button. That is what we're going to use to end the screen recording. Going here, I'm going to try a window. So we'll open up a window. Let's open up the Apple website. And on my Elgato Stream Deck, we are using that for selecting the websites. And I'll do a whole nother video on how to use this bad boy. Now, I want to go to the Mac Mini website, so we have Apple selected. We're going to go to Mac, Mac Mini, and there it is, the Mac Mini, New Guts, More Glory. In fact, I am using my new Mac Mini now with the M1 chip for filming this video. I have this thing all tricked out up into 1 terabyte of storage memory. And then what we're going to do to end this screen recording is go up to the little record button up here And once we click on that, the screen recording will end. I have it saved to my desktop, and we will take a look at it. Okay, well, I hope this tutorial video was helpful for you on how to do a screen recording on an iMac. The next video I'll be releasing soon will be how to do a screen recording on a PC. Until then, happy content creation.